how to disable Reel Remix on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable the remix feature on Instagram Reels so no one can remix your content without permission. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, it'll be prompted to your profile section. Now from here, you simply have to tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings and activity page. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as sharing and reuse. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you're inside this section, you simply have to toggle off all the options. So here, under allow people to share your content, you simply have to toggle off these all options, and once you do it, the people won't be able to share your content without your permission. And under that, you can see allow people to create with and reuse your content. So simply toggle off that option too, and once you do that, the people won't be able to create or reuse your content on Instagram. And that's it. That's how you can disable Reel Remix on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.